Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you have administrator rights and creating a restore point. This protects you if something goes wrong. Close the target program and check Task Manager for running processes so nothing blocks removal. Then open Settings, go to Apps and Installed Apps, or use Control Panel's Programs and Features if you prefer Classic View. Once the list is open, locate the program name exactly, because similar entries can cause mistakes. Make sure you pick the correct publisher and size before proceeding. You click Uninstall and follow the built-in uninstaller prompts. Choose full removal or custom options if presented. After the uninstaller finishes, manually check Program Files, x86, and C, \users, \your name, \app data for leftover folders, and delete them. Next, run disk cleanup and optionally a reputable third-party uninstaller or registry cleaner to remove orphaned entries. Be cautious in registry editor and export keys before deletion. You finish by rebooting and verifying the program isn't in Startup, Services, or the System tray. Use msconfig and Task Manager's Startup tab to confirm. If you encounter errors or missing DLLs, restore the registry backup you exported or run System Restore to revert. If the uninstaller failed, reinstall the same version and attempt uninstall again, then run Windows Troubleshooter for programs. Make sure to check event logs for error details and only revert changes if you've preserved backups and restore points.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.